guys, welcome back to our channel. So in our today video we will be providing you the solution of streaming data to the Bigtable. It is a part of the Arcade Zone 2024 our certification zone, and if you are new to our channel, just subscribe to our channel for getting these amazing lab solutions. And we have participating in a challenge in which we will be completing 1K subscriber on YouTube in just 2 months. So provide some love and support to our channel. So let's get started. Just click on the Start Lab button. Copy the passport, open the Google Cloud Console and in an incognito window. Now click on the next button. Now paste the password and click on the next button. Now click on I understand. Now tick the checkbox and click on agree and continue. Now activate the Cloud Shell. Maximize the size of shell. Now click on continue. Now click on got it. Now go back to the lab instructions, scroll it down, come to the task 1. Now copy this command, go back to the Cloud Shell, paste it, then press enter. Now click on authorize. Now it will create a BigQuery, Bigtable. So now go back to the lab instruction, scroll it down and copy this command, go to the shell, paste it, then press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy this command, go back to the shell, paste it, press the enter key. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy the command, go to the shell, paste it, then press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, now copy this command, go to the shell, paste it, then press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, click on check my progress, you will get a green tick here. Now those who get a green tick, please like this video. Now go back to the lab instruction, minimize the size of the shell. Now go to the navigation menu, click on the compute engine, then go to the VM instances. Now for the training VM under the connect, you have to click on the SSH. It will open the SSH in browser terminal. Now let the terminal to be open. Now go back to the lab instructions, scroll it down, copy the command, go to the SSH terminal, paste it, then press enter. Now go back lab instructions, scroll it down, copy this command, go to the SSH in browser, paste it, then press enter. Now it will clone the a Git repository. Now go back to the lab instructions. Copy the second command, go to the SSH paste sheet, then press enter. Now go to the lab instruction, copy this command, go to the SSH in browser, paste it, then press enter. Now it is streaming the data simulators. Wait for few seconds. Now go back to the lab instruction. Click on check my progress. You will get a green tick here. Now for the task 3, we have to go back to the SSH terminal, and here you get a setting option. Click on it, then click on the new connection. Now click on connect. Cross it out. Now go back to the lab instructions and copy this command. Go to the new SSH terminal, paste it, then press enter. Now go back to the lab instructions, copy this first command, go to the SSH, paste it, then press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy the second command, go to the shell, paste it, then press enter. Now this type of interface you will get. To exit from this file, just press Ctrl+X. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy command from here, go to the cloud SSH window, press paste the command, press enter. Now it will take few time to run this command. Wait for let this command run. Meanwhile, go to the cloud console and go to the navigation menu, or you can go to the lab instruction back, scroll it down, go copy the data flow from here, go to the cloud console. In the search bar at the top, paste this data flow, then click on the data flow streaming analytics service. Now go to the job. Now click on the new pipeline job name. Now locate the right $CBT step in the pipeline graph to see the detail of the writer. Click on the drop down arrow. So here you click on the drop down option. Now click on the provided writer and review the detail provided into the step in info. Click on it. Now here you can review out the information about this step. Now go back to the lab instruction, click on check my progress. You will get a green tick here. Those who get a green tick here, please like this video. Now in the task 4, we will be verifying the streaming data loaded into the big table. For that, copy this command. After copying this command, now go back to the cloud console, maximize the size of the shell, Now click on reconnect. Your connector might not be disappear. You have a connected terminal. For me, the network the connection has been removed, so I just clicked on the reconnection. Now paste the command, then press enter. Now click on authorize. Now go back to the first SSH terminal. Now we have to stop this streaming data simulator. Just press Ctrl plus C. So now go back to the cloud console. Minimize the size of the shell. Go to the navigation menu. Click on the data flow jobs. Or you can go back to the lab instructions, scroll it down, copy this data flow from here. Now click on data flow. Now after opening this, now you have to click on the pipeline job of name. Click on it. Now click on stop. At the top there is option for stop. Now select cancel and click on the stop job. Now we will be deleting the Bigtable and instance. For that, go back to the lab instruction, copy this code, go to the cloud console, maximize the size of the shell, paste the command here, then press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy the second command, go to the cloud shell, paste it, then press enter. Now type Y and then press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, click on check my progress. You will get a green please stop the data flow job. So go back to the cloud console. So we have stopped it out, but it is still showing that we have doesn't stop. For that, go back to the lab instruction. It might take few seconds to update the status. You have to press this check my progress until you get a green tick here. So we get a green tick here. Those who get a green tick here, please like this video, and those students who completed this lab with me, just comment completed in the comment box, and like the video and share the video to those whoever is participating in the arcade program, and subscribe to our channel for completing our 1K subscriber in just 2 months on the YouTube. And if you have any additional doubt that we missed in this video, just type your doubt in the comment box. And thanks for watching. Have a good day.